Mask is not there, so it is showing the mask alert. Now the mask accuracy or the confidence is 1 and no mask is 0, so I am wearing a mask as per the model. So hi guys, Vinay this side. If you are new here, I am computer vision engineer working at a startup. So I am daily working on deep learning and computer vision. So I am using this medium to solve the issue that any person would face to get started with computer vision. And since video editing is very time consuming thing, so I won't be doing much effects in here. It requires a lot of time investment. Due to that, I just skip making videos, and so you won't see much animations in all, just simple content. So let's begin. I will start everything with why. If the reason is matching with yours, if it satisfies you, then watch more. If not, then you can easily skip it. So what you want to do? You want to train a model that will detect mask and alert if the person is not wearing that mask. You want a custom model because you have custom images of yourself and you want that to be trained and it should work. Okay, if you know the basics, you can move to this particular time, which I will show here. I'll just keep watching. I will get you covered. So why you want to train a detector and not a classifier? But wait, what is detector and what is classifier? And again, how is classifier different from a detector? And last question, what even is a classifier? So let's answer these questions slowly. So you can see this image. Which fruit it is? Correct, it is an orange. So what you did just is a classification based on all the fruits that you know. You compared with all of them and found that these features, the features of this image is more similar to that of the orange. This is classification. So now see this image. Where is orange? Can you point out that orange with your finger on the screen? Cool. Most of you didn't, but that's fine. Lazy peeps. But the thing that most of you did was detection. You found what that fruit like object looks like, where it is located, and if it is an orange. And once you are done investigating, you came to conclusion that it is an orange and it is at this point of image. You classified here too, but also you found its location. So classification is just the providing the name of that object. The name of object is called label. So classification just provides label, but detection provides location coordinates as well as the name of object. Basically, in detection, it tells where the object is and what the object is, but in classification, it just tells you what this object is. So all questions solved. Let's conclude it. If you have one object in the image and you don't care about where it is, just do classification. But if in an image there are multiple objects and you want to know which one is what, then use detection. So if in an image you have multiple fruits and you want to know which fruit is which one and you want to draw a box on top of that, also find its name. So in that case, use detection. So yeah, detection is good, but why don't we use detection and just scrap classification? The reason is classification is less compute heavy than detector, and training a classifier is relatively easy than detector, because along with classifier we have to find the location of that object. So in detection it is giving you the location and the name of object, but in classification it is just giving you the name of object. Let's proceed.